Are you part of the majority, the 73% of business owners who struggle with confidence in their marketing strategies? Take a moment to reflect. Is it the sound of a Sharpie on the whiteboard? The faint scent of coffee brewing in the break room? The aroma that fuels late-night brainstorming sessions? The low hum of your laptop fan as you type away into the night? The crinkle of fresh bills being counted, or the rhythmic tapping of fingers on your team member's desk as innovation is born? When the sharp ring of the phone announces a potential client, it's more than just a call. It's your diagnosis. What will you miss the most if you don't take action? Are you among the 73% who are uncertain if your current marketing strategies effectively contribute to your business goals? Imagine how much better you could perform with help from Pasha Paroh's professional branding and marketing expertise. Here's the exclusive offer. The first 5 logo orders will receive a complimentary business plan, Refresh, valued at over $1,000. We are currently accepting the first 3 projects for immediate start, while additional orders will be placed on a waiting list for up to 3 months. Success is rare. When was the last time you wanted to be in the minority? What's one thing you wish you could change about your marketing strategy? Share your thoughts below. Book Pasha Paroh now. Don't be part of the majority any longer.